Okay, my name is Carlton. This is my channel. I do tech stuff here. I do some other stuff in other places, but you're probably seeing this in my main channel. Doesn't matter where you see it. I got some computer work done. Now, there are certain things that I'm willing to do to my computer and certain things that I'm willing to try to never do. When it comes to swapping a battery, I'll do it. Swapping the RAM, I'll do it. Removing a super drive to put another hard drive in place to have dual hard drives on one machine, I'll do it. What I won't do and what I'm not comfortable with is going to the next level of the machine where I'm removing stuff where soldering is located. I'm not comfortable with that. There's no way I can, in this house, do ball soldering, but even when it comes to thermal paste, I don't want to deal with that. I've messed up before. I don't want to do it again. And I had a local guy do my repasting. Here's the work that he did. Anyone who's ever done some repasting before, you can clearly see that he put a lot of paste on there, but at the end of the day, he didn't fry my logic board. I actually had another video before this one, and I'm actually upset because I realized that part of my keyboard, and here's my machine here, part of my keyboard was non-functional. Basically, this entire row here was not functional. Now, as you can clearly see, it is functional. I had to go into my machine and figure out which one of the connectors was the one for the keyboard. I went on somebody else's YouTube stuff and found out which one it was. This is where it's located. So if you guys ever have a problem with your keyboard with the A1278 model, this connector is basically how your keyboard works. With it being even slightly off, you may not have functionality on your entire keyboard. And that's what was going on with mine. And I investigated it, I looked into it, and I fixed it, and I'm okay with that. I wouldn't use this guy for my wife's computer because my wife is or was a quality engineer, and that's one of the reasons why I'm probably never going to use this guy again either, because if he had done a quality check, he would have known that the keyboard wasn't connected properly. So standard grading, I might give him a C minus. The C is simply because everything was together. He didn't fry anything. He didn't make it worse than it already was. And right now, it is a flawless system except for the camera is broken. It's just one of those weird things where the camera broke 5 years ago or something like that. I don't know. It's been a long time, and I just haven't really cared since then. But yeah, I got the whole thing done. So now this is pretty much a solid machine, and I'm still digging this machine. I'm going to use this machine for a very, very long time. And, you know, the guy was not exactly quick with giving my machine back either. It was supposed to be like a 48-hour thing, and it turned into next week sometime. I'm like, oh. And then the holiday kicked in, so that's another delay. But the holiday did was in the way. So still, C minus. I got my machine back. I'm happy. And yeah, I'm very comfortable with that. And I don't know.